Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eugenia Kelsey. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I wanted to start the video by showing you guys some before and after pictures of when I started this treatment. So as you can see, the front part of my hair, you could see through it. It's like really thinning and it's getting really short. And I just didn't really like that. I tried to dance through it and smile through it, but I didn't like it. I wasn't happy with my hair, how it was looking. And this is an after of when I did the treatment. I'm going to go ahead and show you the length. Then I'll take it out and let you guys see the thickness. Okay, so this is how it's looking. It's not very long, but my hair, as you can see here, my hair looks stronger, it looks less dull, and it's getting thicker, and the parts that broke off are certainly coming back together. Okay, so these are my edges. As you can tell, I have a big forehead, so my edges are far backwards, but it was so backwards. It was just like, this is not okay. Like, I know my forehead is big, but my edges are not supposed to be there. And this is an after. As you can see, my edges are starting to fill back in. And I even have some sideburns, which I never thought I would have. This was my length when I started. This was like back in 3 months ago, and this is my length now. I went from waist length to about thigh length. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys what I did and how I've gotten here. So I want to start by saying that my routine and everything that I have talked about on this channel, still, like, I kept it. And if you are new here and you have not seen my routine, I'm just going to link a video right here on top of the screen. Go click that and come back to watch this video. So if you are a subscriber, then you know that olive oil was like my go-to oil. Mainly because it contains several antioxidants, and that's what made me love olive oil so much. But I was like Googling types of oils, and I was more so looking for nutrients in types of oils, and I found avocado oil. Now this right here, so I have my 100%, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's 100% avocado oil, and this has been like a huge change in my natural hair. I made a switch from olive oil to avocado oil, mainly because avocado oil contains 20 vitamins and minerals. So, and it also has antioxidants. So I was just like, if this has antioxidants and I was using this because of its antioxidants, then it makes sense to go with this if it has antioxidants plus 20 vitamins and minerals. Now, you could go ahead and Google all the 20 vitamins and minerals in avocado oil. I'm not going to talk about all of them. The ones I'm going to talk about is folate, which is folic acid, which is, it's known to thicken hair and prevent hair loss. So I knew when I read it, and when I read info on avocado oil, I knew this, I had to make this switch. And it's been an essential part in me thickening my hair and preventing like the thinning in the front part of my hair. So I switched from olive oil to avocado oil mainly because of the folate in it. It also contains vitamin A. Vitamin A is an antioxidant, and antioxidants help nourish and protect hair cells. So I was just like, avocado was looking like the way to go because it had everything that I wanted to see in my hair. Which is one thing I would say. If you're going to try products, see what it has. Don't just try products because everyone is trying them. See the nutrients in the product and see what you're looking for in your hair and try those. It also contains vitamin E, also an antioxidant, which helps prevent hair breakage. So the main reasons why I switched from olive oil to avocado oil was 1, folic acid, which helps to thicken hair and prevent hair loss, B, vitamin E, which helps reduce breakage, and C, vitamin A, which helps protect and nourish hair cells, which was what I was looking for in my hair to prevent the thinning and the breakage in the front part of my hair. The next products that I tried were breakage and amla. These are Ayurvedic herbs. Amla, I don't know if you guys, can you guys see it? I don't know. I'm just gonna put the spelling on the screen. But basically, amla contains high sources of vitamin C, and vitamin C produces collagen protein, which helps in stimulating hair growth, both in like thickness and lengthwise. So amla is the way to go. I also tried breakage. I was like reading a research paper on it, and it talked about how they use breakage on lab rats, and they also used minoxidil. If you don't know minoxidil is a hair growth ingredient, I guess. You guys might have heard of Rogaine. So it's like the same as minoxidil, and the research talked about how breakage worked better, like it tested better in helping to regrow like dead hair follicles in lab rats compared to minoxidil. So I was just like, if this works better than minoxidil, then I'm going to go ahead and try this. And I mixed the amla breakage with MSM, which is my next ingredient that I'm going to talk about. I mixed them with yogurt, or like sometimes just water if I don't have yogurt, and I make a max with it. Now, I didn't do I'm not going to show you guys how I do the max in this video. I just go ahead and do it in another video. But this, let me go get my MSM. Give me a second. So I got my MSM, this right here. I don't know. My light is too bright, but this right here is MSM, and MSM is sulfur that the body can take up. Now, let me explain this real quick. Sulfur helps bind keratin, which is a protein in your hair. MSM also helps lengthen your anagen phase. If you don't know what the anagen phase is, it's the growth phase of your hair. So the longer your anagen phase, so let's say your anagen phase is 6 years, this could help lengthen it. And so let's say you have 7 years. So your hair is going to grow till 7 years, and that helps make it longer. If you want to know more about the growth cycle, I would insert a picture. I would insert a link here, so you could go ahead and watch that after watching this video. But basically, I used to always put this in my hair, mainly because I do not like taking supplements. Because what I hate about supplements is that you can't really direct it. Like, I can't just direct this supplement to go towards my hair. But if I do put it in my hair could absorb the nutrients, you know? But when my hair started thinning out, I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and try it. So I started with 1 scoop. You want to start with 1 scoop. If you are going to start MSM, you should start with like low quantities. So I started with 1 scoop, and I built up to 3 scoops. So right now I put 3 scoops in my orange juice or water, and that's what I've been doing. These 3 ingredients plus yogurt, or like if I don't use yogurt, then I put my avocado with it and 1/2 cup of water, and then I make it into a max and apply it to my hair. I do this every other week. Whenever I do this, like, it helps in helping thicken my hair and helping my hair get stronger at a time where I was losing hair and my hair was shedding like a dog. So these 2 are herbs, and this is MSM, and this is the oil. I have these 3 on my website as a max. In case you're like, oh, I don't have time to do all of that, you could purchase it from me. I don't have the avocado oil in the one in my max, and you could go ahead and purchase it. I have ways you could use it. I have a model routine on the website, and yeah. if you don't want to buy from me, you can go ahead and buy these yourself and make it yourself. Like, my main priority, like, you guys made me create my hairline, and like my main priority is to always make sure that you guys have the information and you guys have the knowledge to care for your hair. It doesn't matter if you buy it from me. If you want to go ahead and make it yourself, then that's fine. If you want to go ahead and support my hairline and by buying these from me, I would really appreciate it. That is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my content and what I do, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. If not, thank you guys so much for watching. Also, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up when you guys like my video. It helps with my YouTube algorithms, and they would recommend my page, my channel, to other people who said they could watch it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in my next one. Bye! This is my website. I recommend checking it out. Even if you're not going to purchase anything, I have built routines on there with each product, and you could use that as your own routine. If it works for you, then you keep it. If not, you go ahead and pick another routine. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Bye!